if you have a flip camcorder that doesn't seem to be working, and you can't get back to your original recording time no matter what you do, this is how to do it that I figured out how to do. First of all, you gotta plug in your camcorder. And when this window appears, go down to Open Folder, View Files. No. When you get here, you gotta go to System, Viewer, and go to this notepad thing that says Mem Size. Now, there should be a number right here. You have to change that number to 99999 for it to say that you have 30 minutes left of recording time. So, and once you change that, just unplug your camcorder and it should be fixed. So, thanks for watching.